So UK Garage has this interesting feature, which is using ragga vocals, and the great thing with them is that you don't need full phrases, full choruses from packs or whatever. You can just chop them here and there because they are mostly used like adlibs. So let's listen to this track. So really simple, nothing crazy, it's just filling a few pockets here and there, and it keeps the whole thing flowing. It almost acts like a vocalist at a club, talking to the microphone and seeing people dance, just vibe, okay? And the great thing about this genre is that you can kind of find a plethora of stuff online. So let's just look at it. Let's find ragga, a cappella, vocals. And here we have a huge bunch of stuff. We can also look for ragga vocal effects, ragga vocal sound effects. So here we have a few videos that you can either download with some YouTube Reaper, or they have some download link there. You just grab them, you kind of play with them, chop them, affect them, you run them through a vocoder, through reverb, you just pitch them and whatever, you just have fun with them. The whole thing is about having fun and playing like it's toy, and eventually you will come up with similar results. Just make some tunes that are banging those woofers. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.